Hi guys, short video here about if this ANTOBLE hose adapter for this Zodiac MX6 is really working. I had some issue here that the original part was broken, and so I've been using this one down here. That's a part which you usually also get when you buy such a robot pool cleaner, and luckily I found out that it would also do the job, but it's not the same thing, doesn't have the flexibility as this one here. The disappointing thing is that the original one broke after only a little bit more than 1 year. I contacted Zodiac and they were not very helpful. They just said I have to buy a new part, so I figured I don't have to buy the original one. I can also buy this one here. Yeah, makes a good impression. You can see it's also nicely bending. So let's see if that fits here. Yeah, I would say pretty much same thing as the original. So I'm putting the cleaner back into the water. Always very important to drain the air fully with pushing the hose straight down. And now let's see if we can do a hot swap. Definitely not recommended, but I'm trying that here while it's running. Now adding the new part here inside. Yeah, worked absolutely awesome. Exactly same thing as the original one, and I hope you can see the vacuum now running again at full speed, working as normal. This thing really nicely bendable. You can see it has a great fit here, absolutely no problem. I can't feel any suction here, so it's really nice, tight, absolutely perfect. So I would say full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.